go. Itu dia. Bapaknya pelikan. Dan mana? Malu banyak orang. Hai, masih mager di sini dari tadi. Kita sedang apa? Sedang Niko. Fruit punch. Enak nggak? Minta dong. Haus. Pegang dong. Pegang. Lagi sibuk. Ceritanya mau booking buat makan nanti malam. Lagi mau show-nya pelikan. Tadi udah jatuh sama Dan. Kok ada keluar tuh? Wow, ada yang kurus, ada yang gendut. Dorong-dorongan musik.
Hi there everybody. Hello. Alright, very good afternoon ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. My name is Samuel Haq and welcome to the Falcon Cove for the Falcon Chit Chat. Right, today we are going to be feeding these beautiful birds right here and sharing some interesting information about them along the way. Now, right up there is my good-looking friend, Joe, and he will be feeding us, he will be helping us to feed the pelicans today. So everyone, say hi to Joe! Hi! Right, now, pelicans are a group of large water birds that can be found along coasts of oceans and fresh water systems across the world. Their particular traits are its long beak and large throat pouch that they use to catch prey. Here there are a total of 8 species of pelicans in the world, and there's only 6 species of pelicans right here at Jurong Bird Park. So let me just ask all of you this. How many species of pelicans are there in the world? 8, okay? And how many species of pelicans are there in Jurong Bird Park? 6, that is correct. Okay, the reason I'm asking all of you this is because at the end of this chit-chat session, I'll be asking you more questions, and if you answer them correctly, we will have something special just for you. So do listen carefully throughout this chit-chat session. Now, let us begin with the largest and the rarest species of pelican, and that is the Dalmatian pelican, Pelicanus crispus. Okay, Joe is feeding the Dalmatian pelican. Hi there. Hi, pelican. Hi. Okay, the Dalmatian pelican lives in freshwater lakes and rivers across Eastern Europe. They are the rarest species of pelicans, and unfortunately, population number has been declining across the range due to overfishing. Now, its wingspan from wingtip to wingtip can measure up to 3 meters long.
Kita sekarang ada di Parrot Paradise. Itu anaknya gelundung, woi. Itu anaknya gelundung, woi. Jangan sampai ya pulang dari sini kepengen beli yang ini. Mana? Ada ini enggak? Ada si Mari enggak?
Tuh.
Yang dipanggil Aliman.
Apa deh?
Ini namanya
Golden apa sih?
Golden CONURE ya.
Golden CONURE.
Bagus ya.
Golden CONURE. Iya benar.
Lucu ya? Kayaknya masih baby ini. Nih Amazon. Ini yang bisa ngomong Afrikan ya? Grey mana Grey Afrikan?
Amazon.
Enggak, yang Grey Afrikan apa sih? Ya itu tuh. Itu telurnya aja berapa? Cepet apa 300 ya? Nih. Itu dia ada di sini. Nggak kelihatan. Jauh. Ya sih. Oh, ini dia. Grey parrot. Emang dia pinter ngomong ya?
Apa sayang?
Ini apa? Pom COCKATOO. Apa nih? Dia ngeliat-ngeliat. Kenapa kok botak? Ini dia. Hai. 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 Philippines COCKATOO.
Handmade MACAW.
Oh, itu di atas.
Oh, itu buah ya?
Lagi kepanasan. Iya. Tuh ada SCARLET, teman-temannya. Iya, teman-temannya Blanco. SCARLET. Tuh.
Scarlet MACAW.
Scarlet MACAW. Jadi si Blanco itu dia jenisnya Scarlet MACAW.
Blanco. Kok? Ini Scarlet loh. Scarlet. Blanco. Blanco.
Kenapa bang? Mau ditangkap, bawa pulang?
Ini loh mami.
Apa?
Yang aku mau beli kemarin.
Oh kasihan gak jadi beli. Oh ini sih tajam banget itu. Iya. Gede ya? Kenapa dia bisa segede gini ya?
Udah tua ini, berumur.
Oh. Lebih tua dari kita.
Maybe. Kan rakit.
Amigo.
Good afternoon to you, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. So how is everyone feeling today? Feeling good? Yes? Alright, that is great to hear. By the way, my name is Shawal and welcome to the Kings of the Sky Show. The birds of prey have captivated men with their strength, speed and agility. And during the show, you will get to see some of these birds flying all around this arena and others right by you. But for all that can take place, we will need your help. When the birds are flying really low above you, please do not try to reach out and touch them. This is for your safety and for the bird's safety as well. And also, please refrain from standing up or walking around during the show. You might distract the other audience. And most importantly, no eating throughout the show. Our birds are very curious. They might decide to come down and share your snacks with you. And one more thing, if you notice that the bird is flying low and towards your direction, please remember to duck or move away. This is to prevent obstructing the bird's flight path. All you need to do is just sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. So ladies and gentlemen, are we all set for the show? Oh dear, that's not convincing. Come on, let's try this once again, all together now. Are we all set for the show? Awesome, much better. And that's everyone, let us begin. This is Susie, our American bald eagle. The bald eagle is one of the largest bird of prey found in North America, and they are the one of, known as the emblem of the United States of America. Now take a good look at her. You might be wondering, why are they known as bald eagles when they have feathers on their head? Well, number one, the term bald is actually an Old English word for white head. And number two, when these birds are flying high up in the skies, their head will camouflage among the clouds, giving them the appearance that they are bald, hence the name. While living near constant source of water, these birds hunt for fish, ducks and turtles. They can also feast on muskrats, rabbits and even extinct animals. By the way, Susie here is 17 years old and it is time for her to head back home. Ladies and gentlemen, our American bald eagle. Thank you. Alright, next up is one of those tubers that have very keen sense of smell. I'm referring to a vulture, to be exact, a turkey vulture. With that said, let's welcome Titan! Right, turkey vultures can be found from the tip of Canada all the way down to the tip of South America. They are the most numerous vulture species in the world, numbering way over 10 million in the wild. They are able to smell our food. By flying low, it means they have picked up the stench of rotting meat. Now, big birds like king vultures, which lack this unique ability, will follow the turkey vulture's lead. And it won't be the job of the bigger vultures to tear open the carcasses, because turkey vultures' beaks are not strong enough to do the job. So Titan, I think you did a really good job. It's time for you to head back to Dingxing. Come on, he's waiting for you. Ladies and gentlemen, our turkey vulture. Thank you. Alright, you have just seen a bird with a very keen sense of smell. Our next bird of prey joining us shortly is an excellent sense of hearing. Another clue is that these birds hunt mostly during the night. Do you know which bird I'm referring to? Owls, that's right. Now we have one waiting patiently right at the back. There you go. And everyone, you are about to experience the owl's unique ability of silent flight down. Wow, I'm pretty sure none of you heard him flapping his wings, am I right? Yes, well, this is because owls have very soft edges at the tip of their feathers. So when they flap those wings, there isn't any sound at all. But that is not the only reason. There's another reason too. Well, what do owls mainly hunt for at night? Anyone knows? Mice, that's right, mice and rats, rodents come out at night. And rodents have a very acute sense of hearing, which is why they have to be very quiet in order to catch their prey without being detected at all. That is why they are also known as the silent hunters by us. So everyone, put our hands together for Genghis, our Himalayan griffon vulture. Alright, this species can be found in the higher regions of the Himalayas and Tibet. Some migrating juveniles heading south happen to have lost their way and have ended up in various parts of Asia. Genghis was one of them. He was found to be weak and dehydrated in Orchard Road in the year 2005. We rescued him and nursed him back to good health. After all, he is a survivor. Again, thank you very much for coming out here. It is time to head back in. Ladies and gentlemen, our Himalayan griffon vulture. Thank you. Now, ladies and gentlemen, if you have any questions regarding the bird that you saw in the show, you can approach me later on. Now, one last thing to forget, please remember to take all your belongings with you. You have been a great audience. Thank you once again. I hope you have enjoyed your day here in the park, and goodbye.
Pulang. Kunci dulu. Apa itu, Kak? Masih connect ke situ ya? Apa itu, Kak? Apa ya, Kak? Hah? Apa itu? Flamingo. Bagus ya? Kita lagi ada di Faki. Mau mencoba peruntungan hari ini, apakah bisa makan jumbo kita? Untuk masih jam segini kayaknya belum rame deh. Kita mau ke Jumbo. Mau naik? Nanti ya. Nanti kita naik ya. Ntar kita naik ya. Yuk kita makan dulu yuk.
Makan sini tuh.
Itu di sana Jumbo Seafood. Kita lihat dulu apakah ada table. Dapat guys mejanya. Hore. Oke, this very nice. Thank you. Oke. Udah duduk sampai jam 7.30. Sekarang jam 6
Make up ini. Apa siapa?
Punya kakak.
Make up ini.
Punya kakak itu. Punya kakak dan adik berdua ya.
Kami.
Sekarang ya. Sekarang kita mau bikin makanan.
Ayo, kita mau apa? Dek, sekarang kita mau
Apa? Kita mau cek dulu ya teman-teman, mau beli rumah. Mau cek makanan kue. Happy birthday tuh.
ada yang datang. Apa ini Didi?
Aku.
Baby.
Coba.
Baby squid masak apa tadi ya? Wijen apa sih?
Wijen-wijenan.
Kenapa bikin apa?
Baby. Coba kita lihat.
Sana bikin. Ayo. Ayo bikin. Ayo bikin dong.
Anis.
Oke, aku bikin. Aku
Wijen.
bikin.
Ini bukan cumi asin kan? Bukan.
Ada yang sama-sama.
Brokoli apa?
Broccoli garlic.
Garlic.
Ini sayang. Nih. Ini. Nih.
Oh,
Tiup dulu. Tiup dulu sayang.
Enggak panas kok.
Oh enggak. Udah gigit. Yummy.
Agak mau ini. Mau ini. Nah, lagi gigit yang big makanya.
Michael.
Tusuk. Yang big.
Ini makanannya yang keluar baru 2. Sedangkan sekarang udah jam 6:30. Gitu. Dan kita cuman punya waktu sampai 7:30. Ini bagaimana?
Betul. Ya, sudah.
Ada yang udah datang lagi nih. Apa ya? Ini dia.
Sendiri ya, kalau nggak jawab sendiri nanti nih dibilang.
Chili crab.
Ada yang apa? Vero.
Tada. Sebelum tercabik-cabik marilah diabadikan. Oke, please, thank you. Ini dia. Wah. Yang pakai oatmeal gitu. Yummy. Habis makan kenyang, Kita lagi nongkrong aja di sini. Ya.
Yang itu ya, yang gini ya.
Iya, nih yang penasaran gigi bolong. Sampai di Jakarta nanti harus ke dokter gigi.
Michael, kenapa Michael? Michael,
Nyelip.
giginya kenapa? Bolong ya?
Sudah kelar. Besok mau